Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I will be showing you how to establish reordering rules and their use. So within the product, you go to the reordering rules section. I've already pre-created one, minimum 1, max 10, and then when it gets to the minimum, to reorder 10. You just do this by clicking new, and then you fill in this information. What that does is when a product is ordered and it's not in stock, if you have a reordering rule in place, it will create a purchase order for the product. And we can confirm that by going to purchase. You can see here there is a brand new RFQ. It's for a wool hat, or 11 actually, and this was created because of the reordering rules. If we were to confirm this and receive all products, we can go here and see now that we have 11 on hand, the in and out, one order in. And if we go back to the sales order and we check now, the demand has been met because we now have availability of the hats. The other thing that you can do is within the inventory, you can run the replenish scheduler, and when you click this, it creates an automatic scheduling that will create RFQs for any of the products that you have in your system that have reorder rules. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.